What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2013 F150, and I'm using this truck to show you the location of the fuel pump relay and also the two fuses that are necessary for the fuel pump to work. So we're going to begin by looking behind this fuse box cover here, which we open by pushing in on the tabs on either side while we pivot back. Now, the fuse that provides power to the fuel pump through the fuel pump relay and the fuel pump control module is this 20 amp fuse right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out just to show you what a good fuse looks like. You can see it's not broken on the inside of that fuse. So let's reinstall it here. And that is in position number 27. Now the fuel pump relay is this relay right here. It is computer controlled. It's turned on by the body control module. And when it is turned on, it sends power not directly to the fuel pump, but instead to the fuel pump control module. So we can remove this relay just by wiggling it while we pull it out. So let's remove it, set it aside, and you can actually swap in, all of these relays are the same part number. So here I'm gonna swap in the blower motor relay. If after swapping relays, your truck is able to start, then you know your original relay may be failing. Another thing you can do is, just as a troubleshooting step, is you can manually send power directly to that control module by connecting these two pins together. That is really just a troubleshooting step. It's definitely not a permanent solution. Now let's move inside the car. I'll show you the location of another fuse. So I mentioned that the body control module is ultimately what turns on that fuel pump relay. There's a fuse that is needed for that body control module to work. So we get to it by pulling this piece out here. And then we remove the fuse box cover. And all the way down in that lower left-hand corner is a 10 amp fuse in position 18. So that's gonna be this one right here. So you'll wanna pull that fuse out and check it, especially if your fuel pump relay is not being turned on. This truck does not have the inertia switch that a lot of older Ford vehicles have. In place of the inertia switch, it is controlled by the computer. So if the computer detects that an impact has occurred, you know, like if the airbags have gone off, then it will disable the fuel pump by communicating with the fuel pump module. So yeah, I hope this information has been helpful and has been a good starting point in troubleshooting the fuel pump on your F-150. Please let me know if you have any questions or any advice. Thanks for watching.